Hi everybody, I'm Douglas here on Lee Chess. Again, I've been pronouncing that incorrectly, but I figured it out how to pronounce it. So thanks for tuning in for these couple puzzles, and we'll see how we do. Again, I'm on leechess.org. It's a great website. I like it because it has so many chess puzzles that you can look at. So I definitely recommend it. It's been helping my game, and both in Blitz and in Rapid Games. If you want to check any of those videos out, you can check those ones out too. Alright, so we've got a lot going on in here. So for starters, I'm looking at, obviously he's hitting my queen with his with his knight. So I need to either move that or, pin one of his pieces or take it here. But then I would just be losing my rook to his queen. So maybe putting him in check first. And then, or what else? These minor pieces down here. Maybe. Doesn't look like these two have anything that's going on. What else? Okay, nothing with the pawn. So some of these are pretty tricky. Some of them are a little bit easier. So I'd say this one's in to somewhat, is it a fork or the material is even? Alright, well, sometimes you just gotta give it a go, right? So if you want to pause the video here, I'm gonna try it out. I think it has to do with the queen. So his queen is backing up two pieces. And I don't want to lose my queen. Okay. So then his queen was backing up this piece over here. Okay. So that's it. Let's try one more. See how that goes. Right away. Oh, okay. This one looks pretty easy. Well, I think that, you don't need to look at this bishop over here or these pawns. If you want to pause the video now, I think I have it figured out. Okay. So I think it just has to do with this knight here and oh, what? The pawn was pinned. Oh, because the queen. The queen was protecting it. Okay, so I thought that was an easy one, but take with no, that wouldn't make sense. We're even on material, so don't want to. Must be some check. Maybe it is that. Check. And then, so check there. Blocking, basic. Well, if you do the basic block, then you're losing your knight. Check. Isn't that? Yeah. And then, check. Oh my goodness. See, some of these sometimes are just odd. And again, I've talked about the analysis. You can see here really quick that what game it comes from. 10 minutes each, about 2,000, and they're saying it was a blunder on b5. And then they give you a couple of lines over here to the right, so it's kind of cool. And when you analyze that, this is on the iPad app. Let's do maybe one more tonight. And we've got the queen, and he's got two pieces. No, so I'm black. So he's got, right away, this is either a fork or a mate. I don't see mate threat, really. Well, okay, so my knight here, check. and then it has to go here because of the pawn, and then that, and then we'll just go back, right? Okay, if you want to pause the video here, I'm going to give it a try. Let's see, that part's correct. And then, see, you always want to try to get the queen after this because obviously the rook is, but what's the best move? Do you want to go to G3? He's just going to jump back there. Oh, yeah, you do. And then checkmate, right? Wait, where's the checkmate? Check. Is this, where's the checkmate? F, if I go to F1, yeah, that's checkmate, okay. Oh, sweet. Alright, so that was like a mate in 3 there. And then I always like to, look it over again. So check 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, a mate in 3. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If not, that's cool. If you want to subscribe, that's awesome too. And have a good night. Take care.